Hello and welcome to Rossum Park Motors. Another new arrival here today. This time it's a Ford Fiesta. It's a 1.5 diesel Zetec. It's the 85 brake horsepower one in a 5-door. Lovely car, very nice to drive. Excellent on fuel. These will return you well in the 60s to a gallon, if not a little bit more if you take your time. Nice specs. Got sat nav, touchscreen sat nav. It's got park sensors. It's got alloy wheels. Very clean and tidy as well. It's got history and it will come with a service and it will come with a new MOT. We always aim for no advisories on our MOTs as well. It's just all been cleaned, so it's all looking nice inside. All the seats been washed. It is a very nice car. 104,228 miles as we do the video today. Nice seats, sort of a sports style seat. Got a nice screen in it as well, and it will have Bluetooth, and it's got aircon. The aircon works, all the goodies on it. USB connectivity as well. More pictures on the website. That's rossumparkmotors.co.uk, or you can give us a call 07 868 722 133.